So we are asked to add the fractions. The first thing is we need to have the denominators in factored form. So we're going to change this fraction to y, the denominator, to y plus 2 times y minus 2. And then here we're going to, the GCF is 4. Okay, so that's the first thing we do. So we are done factoring the denominators. Now the next thing we're going to do is we need to find the least common denominator. Okay, so to find the least common denominator, the first thing I do is I take the first fraction, and it has a y plus 2, so I know I'm going to need a y plus 2. So that way this is going to end up canceling out with this. And then I also need a y minus 2, so that way this will cancel out with that. Okay, now I look at the next fraction. It has a 4 here, so I'm going to need a 4 also. So that way when I am multiplying these fractions, that 4 will cross out with that 4, and then that y minus 2 will cross out with that y minus 2. So we have everything we need. We just needed the 4. So that is our least common denominator. Okay, now that we have our least common denominator, we're going to multiply both of the fractions. So our least common denominator was this. But remember, we're essentially multiplying by this. It's by 1. When you have the same thing over the same thing, this is essentially, we're just multiplying everything here by 1. So that's why it's okay to do. Now let's take a look. Let's start with the first fraction. So what's going to happen here is we have this y plus 2 is going to cancel out with this y plus 2, and this y minus 2 is going to cancel out with this y minus 2, and what's left is we have a y plus 9 and this 4 that's left here. Now this is never going to go away, so that's why I like to start my problem knowing that that's what's going to be in the denominator here. So we have this 4 here that needs to be multiplied by this y plus 9. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the second fraction. Okay, now when we distribute here, this 4 is going to cancel out with this 4. This y minus 2 is going to cancel out with this y minus 2. And then what we're left with is this 2. So it's a plus 2. And then we have the y plus 2. And now we are ready to simplify this numerator here. Okay, so we're going to distribute here. So we have 4y plus 36. And then here we have 2 times y is 2y. And we have 2 times 2, which is 4. Then I'm going to combine the like terms, so we have 6y plus 36 and 4 is 40, all over our denominator here. Okay, so now the last thing before we're done here, we're not done, this is not the answer yet, we have to see if this can be simplified. Okay. So now our denominator here is factored, but we gotta now factor our numerator. So the GCF is 2. And now that everything is factored, we can see that 2 goes into 4. So this would change to a 1/2. So we would have 3y plus 20 on the top over 2 times y plus 2 and y minus 2. That would be our final answer here.